Hello, I'm Kyle Bradshaw from Chaparral Motorsports, and welcome to the introduction of the LS2 MX419 OHM helmet. Now, we get lots of questions. Which LS2 helmet is similar to that of the Simpson Bandit helmet? And today, we're gonna show you just that. But first, we're gonna show you how it comes in the box, and this is it right here. Now, a couple key things about this helmet that I want to point out before we get really deep into this. Number one, this is a SNELL rated helmet that costs just $130. That's right, SNELL and DOT for 130 bucks. It's perfect for dual sport riding, for urban riding, and we're gonna show you how it transforms into a helmet that's very similar to a Simpson Bandit helmet. That's right, this helmet transforms and looks very similar to that of a $300 Simpson Bandit helmet, and we're gonna show you that just in a second. Well, sneak peek, look over my shoulder. But before we get into that, this is how it comes out of the box. It comes with a peak, it comes with a clear shield, it comes with emergency safety pullouts. This thing has venting on the front of it. It's got a lot of features that we're gonna go into in depth in just a minute. But again, this is how it comes out of the box. Now, if you want this helmet to look very similar, extremely similar to a Simpson Bandit helmet, all you've got to do is remove the peak and add a dark visor. Take a look at how great this helmet looks when you transform it like so. Now, the retail price for this helmet out of the box with the clear shield and the visor is $129.98. Now, prices are subject to change, so please keep that in mind as you're watching this video in the future. Now, for just $29.99, you can get this dark smoke shield that makes this helmet look very much like a Simpson Bandit. Now, what else does this have in common with a Simpson Bandit other than just the looks? They're both SNELL rated. They both have great venting. And the other thing that these helmets have in common is they share that same outlaw biker look. Now tune in to the next video we're gonna put up here in a couple days that's gonna show you 3 of our favorite outlaw helmets. But this video right now, we're focusing on this LS2 MX419 helmet called the Ohm. So this LS2 MX419 helmet features a kinetic polymer alloy construction. What does that mean? It's gonna be lightweight. This helmet weighs in at just 3.4 pounds, exactly the same as that Simpson Bandit helmet. And it's gonna be SNELL approved. So SNELL and DOT approved. We're gonna have great venting here in the front that's easily actuated with a gloved hand. I really like that feature. Up here on the top, we have opening and closing of the vents by simply sliding this tab either forward or back. Comes with a peak in the box that's easily removable by just removing this one screw. In addition to that, the clear visors are removable by removing just this second screw. So it's a really easy change that you can make on the road, on the fly. Another thing to look at before we move inside the helmet is gonna be the visor itself. Now, this visor is optically correct. They've done a really good job at making sure that this looks perfect as you look through it. As you turn your head, nothing's gonna be distorted. This visor is going to feature a UV resistant coating that is also scratch resistant. 2 great features. Now, moving into the helmet, the first thing we're going to see are these emergency pull tabs. This is for in the event that you're in an accident, emergency response can reach their fingers in here, pull these cheek pads out without having to jar your neck around. The next thing that people like to ask is, does this have helmet speaker pockets? It absolutely does. As far as the liner goes, it's removable and washable. Now, I've shown you the optimum venting it has coming in the inside. Coming out the back, you have exit vents on the lower portion here and at the top. The spoiler at the top is going to help this helmet perform great on the highway at higher speeds. Now, this helmet is currently available only in a matte black color, but other colors are sure to hit the market as the popularity of this helmet continues to increase. And that's it. For just $130, you get a lot of value with this LS2 MX419 Ohm helmet. And there you have it. Whether you're riding a dual sport or adventure motorcycle, or you're riding a super badass Harley Davidson or V-twin and you want that outlaw biker look, this LS2 MX419 Ohm helmet is a great choice for you. SNELL and DOT rated, lots of venting, and superb looks. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to this video so you can stay up to date on our future videos. Until next time, take care and ride safe.